Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Share for Care. This is one of the best project right now which I am going through the advertisement, that is the fully funded PhD program by the combination of various universities like Cardiff University and Bristol University of Bristol. So the analyzing the expression of climate change within the big continental scale rainfall data set and impact on the water balance. So you have basically in this program you have to describe the relationship between climate change with surface and subsurface hydrology uh, to determine the water budget of the area. So it is one of the best project, and it is fully funded, so it's better to the person who are interested in that field, who want to work in climate change and surface and subsurface hydrology. They are fully funded, and you can see this is project funding for 3.5 years, includes all expenses, travel for field work, and to attend present in an international conference. Apart from all this, the faculty members are also given the some reference paper through which we can determine what type of work basically these faculties are carrying out. So this is the one of the environmental research later published in IOP, uh, deciphering the expression of climate change within the lower Colorado River basin by stochastic simulation of convective rainfall. So in this paper you can go through and you can realize what type of work basically carry out by the faculty members. And another paper which is published in the Nature Climate Change, so global pattern and dynamics of climate groundwater interaction. This is one of the hot topic right now carried out by various researchers globally, as the scarcity of water is increasing day by day with the rapid increase in the population. So you can go through these papers, you will get some kind of hint basically what type of work they are carried out. After going through this, then contact to the professor Sinzer by giving the mail ID. I am going to mention the mail ID as well as the uh, application link. Please go through the link, and if possible to share among your friends, who those who are needy and who are interested in this field. So it's a golden opportunity to the person to attend these types of projects. So hope for the best and enjoy your journey. And it's a humble request, please subscribe my channel, share and comment as per your requirement in which area basically you want to do your PhD or postdoc. If there is if there is a area defined, then it's easy for me to provide such kind of information. Thanks and watch.